Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jeff, and in this video we're working on the C4. So the main thing we're going to focus on in today's video is the wheels and tires. So there's a few things that need to be fixed, and the first one being that these wheels are currently facing the wrong direction. This is something that's been bugging me, and I know it's been bugging you guys based on all the comments I've been receiving, so we're going to take care of this today. Another thing we're going to do is rotate the tires. I can tell that this hasn't been done in a while, so we're going to take care of that as well. Luckily, the tires are not directional, so it'll just be a matter of moving the fronts to the rear and the rears to the front. I'm also going to take the wheels and tires down to a local tire shop and have them static balanced, so all the weights are on the inside of the wheel. And there is one valve stem that is leaking pretty bad, so I'm going to have all of them replaced. So with all of that said, I'm going to put the car up on jack stands and get started. All right, so the wheels and tires are off, and this was the first time I've ever jacked up this car or put it on jack stands, so I was a little nervous, just didn't know what to expect, but it was pretty simple and straightforward. So now I'm just going to load these up in the truck and get them down to the tire shop. All right, so I'm back from the tire shop and the wheels and tires are ready to go back on. But while they're off, I want to try and clean up these wheel wells a little bit. As you can see, they're pretty dirty. I doubt they've ever been cleaned, so we're probably looking at about 30 years of dirt and grime. So here's a before shot of the driver's side rear. Here's a before shot of the passenger side rear. So the same thing, pretty dirty. And I'm gonna do all four wheel wells and hopefully it makes them look a little better. The rear wheel wells are done. Take a look. As you can see, turned out nice. I probably should spend a little more time cleaning them up. There's some grime on here that really needs to be scraped off and takes a little bit of elbow grease, but this is just kind of a quick pass, and I think they turned out nice. And here's the passenger side rear. So again, looks much better, and I'm pretty happy with it for now. Another thing I want to do while the car is up on jack stands is change the fuel filter and change the oil, just because I have no idea when those were changed last. The oil doesn't look too bad, but I just want to change it so I know what's in there and know when it was changed last. I'm not going to film me changing the fuel filter or the oil. I just wanted to show you guys where some things are. So here is the fuel filter, just right underneath the passenger side footwell. So it's pretty easy access to that. And here's a look at the oil pan with the drain plug, and just on the other side is the oil filter. So one thing I noticed before I put the car up on jack stands was that if I lay down on the passenger side, I can actually reach the drain plug with my arm. But then I realized that I couldn't do the same with the oil filter, so the car would have to be up on jack stands anyway. All right, you guys, so everything is done and buttoned up. So here's the finished product. Wheels are facing the right direction, and they look really good. And here's a look at the front driver's side wheel well, which turned out nice. Here's a look at the passenger side front and the passenger side rear. So just to recap, we changed the direction of the wheels, we rotated the tires, had the wheels rebalanced with the weights on the inside, and changed all the valve stems. All the wheel wells are nice and clean, and oil's changed and fuel filters changed. So I'd say it was a successful day. Here's a quick look at the products I used to clean the wheel wells. So on the left, we have Nonsense Invincible Super Cleaner, which is basically an all-purpose, all-surface cleaner. And then on the right, we have Bare Bones Dark Shine Undercarriage Protectant. And both products worked really well. Both are from Chemical Guys. And I gotta say, the Bare Bones smells amazing. It smells like grape. So I really liked it. So some of you may be asking why the wheels need to be facing a certain direction or what makes them directional. And the answer is that these are functional wheels in that they are a fan blade design meant to draw in cool air into the brakes to help cool the brakes. So pretty neat. That does it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Unfortunately, I think it's time to put the C4 away for the winter. Here in Utah, we've been experiencing extremely low temperatures for this time of year. Kind of feels like January. and we've had a little bit of snow already, so it's time for her to go away for a while. There will still be car content on the channel, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and feel free to drop any comments below in the comments section. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.